Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today we have the Ipsy Icon Box from Ipsy, I guess. Anyway, if you want to see what I got in my Ipsy Icon Box and all that good stuff, I'm just going to be unboxing it today. I'm not going to be trying on any of the products or anything like that. And hear about the Ipsy Icon Box, then hang tight because we're getting right into it. Okay, with Ipsy, it is a subscription service. With this one, you have to have at least, get the glam bag subscription once a month, and then they have, because I have the glam bag. And I also have the BoxyCharm by Ipsy, but you at least have to have the glam bag subscription. And then this one comes every quarter. It comes in February, it comes in May, it comes in August, and it comes in November. And they usually have a celebrity attached to the box that does the curating of the box. And then there are 8 full-sized items in the box, whereas the glam bag has deluxe minis, deluxe minis. Maybe it might have 1 full-size item. And then the BoxyCharm has 5 full-size items. This has 8 full-size items. They pick out 5 items for you, and then you get to pick from a select groupings. You get to pick 3 items. So let's see what we got here. Okay, that usually comes with a little magazine in here with the icon book. And this is Gabrielle Union. She was the curator of this box. It says The Art of You. Now, I usually have it written out what I had picked and the pricing of the items. I don't have that with me this time, so we're just going to use this box. I think the total, I do remember the total of my box was $349. I've had boxes that were more, I've had boxes that were less, so let's go ahead and dive into what we got. Okay, I do know that they picked this out for me. The first item we have is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser for all skin types. Rich in amino acids, gently cleanses face and eyes. This is supposed to be a good face wash. The only thing is, every single time I get an Icon box, I get a cleanser. Is it the same for you? This is $39. It removes makeup, helps get rid of impurities and tones, all without irritating your eyes or stripping your skin. That's what it says about that. But I hear this is a good one. This is a good brand. Fresh is a good brand. Let's see if it has a scent to it. I will be keeping this, or I'll give it to my daughter at least. Well, I have fingernail on. I can't really smell anything from it, but I'm getting lipstick all over it. But definitely a good thing. Okay, I know they picked this out for me as well. This is the Makeup Forever, the Professional Mascara Volume Boosting well, let me see. Was this a double-ended one? Yes, it is. We've got step 1, lift. So that is very tiny. This is for lifting. And then step 2, volume. This is for volumizing. So I will be giving that a try on at some point. I got that. Let's see where that is in here. Sometimes they don't always have everything. They don't always have everything in here. Okay, The Professional. Where is it? The Professional 24-hour double-ended lifting and volumizing mascara is $28. $28. Okay, and then they picked this out for me too. It's from NARS. It's the Power Matte Lipstick in the shade All American. American Woman. American Woman. And it's, I remember it saying this was, oh, that has a kind of a rubbery. No, I guess it's just plastic, but it almost feels a little rubbery. That is the color right there. It said it's like a cinnamon rose. Like a cinnamon rose kind of color. Anyway, that's the color right there. It's a power matte. I was interested in knowing exactly what a power matte is. What is a power matte? Let's see what it says in here. If it is indeed in here. Yes. It is NARS Cosmetics Power Matte Lipstick. This is $34. That was $34. And then I know they picked this up for me. It's Origins Ginseng SPF 30 Daily Moisturizer. This looks, is this the full size? Is this the full size? This doesn't look like a full size moisturizer. I guess. I don't know. What is... No, that's the clearing mask to scrub. What have we got here? What have we got here? I don't see it in here. I don't see it in here. Okay. Alright. Well, there we go with that. I think I picked that out. And then they picked this out for me. This Beauty Stat Triple Plump Coconut Milk Serum. This milk serum. What does it say about this? Beauty Stat goes beyond dermatologist approved and straight to chemist created. Okay. What does it say about this? Hyaluronic acid, polyglutamic acid, coconut milk complex, microsilver, fragrance-free, dermatologist tested, chemist created, clean chemistry, glow hydrate bounce. This fully loaded serum is uniquely formulated with a tri-level plumping chemistry to instantly hydrate skin, visibly improving cushion and bounce. Our chemist created, wow, they're really proud of that. Thirst quenching formula delivers an unlimited glowing and hydrating look. Are most of them not chemist created? Because they're really proud of that fact. Okay, anyway, that's what it looks like. We just got amateurs creating our skincare. Is that what I'm hearing? Okay, I'm gonna have to try this out. We got a milk serum there, guys. I'm kind of wondering now about skincare. Is it not chemist created? $42. With a boost from this brand's coconut complex, your complexion will serve up barrier-boosting, thirst-trap vibes all day long. Okay, and then we get into the items that I picked. One first is the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer Blush. right there. And it is in the shade Provence. And I think it's one of those, what is it? Is it one of those little pouncy things? No! Oh, good. Oh, but it does squirt out. Let's see. Oh, it is very liquidy. That is the shade we have there. That is a very nice pink shade. I do like that, but it looks very, very wet. It looks like it is going to be very wet and very, very pigmented at that. Very, very pigmented at that. Okay, we're going to have to put that over there. We are going to have to do another trying new makeup day for sure. Let's see. Where is that on here? Where is that on here? Okay, Laura Mercier. I see you on here. Tinted Moisturizer Sheer Cream Blush is $32. $32. And then I got I'm kind of interested in this, the Kosas Glow IV Vitamin Infused Skin Enhancer. I hear this is pretty darn glowy. I got mine in the shade Spark. Sheer Light Champagne. And this, I just got yesterday. What did I just get? I just got the Urban Decay. The Urban Decay one, Glow Enhancer. And then there's this, which, I don't know. Yeah, that's pretty glowy. That is pretty glowy. I would put that on as a highlighter or under foundation for sure. I would not put this on as foundation. Would not do that. I would definitely put this on under foundation. But let me put it with my foundation because it sets up. It sets up high. Okay. What sort of sorcery is this stuff that they're making these days? What is this? What have we here? I definitely do not use that as your foundation. Skin Enhancer. Skin Illuminating Enhancer, $38 as a primer, highlighter, or mixed into your skincare. This is a must-have for lit from within radiance. Okay, $38. Okay, and then we have the one thing I am most excited about because I love when they offer fragrance in these things. Although it's always a blind buy for me. Okay, we got it taped up. This is from Maison Louis Marie, and it is a fragrance. The top notes are ruby pamplemousse, mandarin leaf, and jasmine. The mid notes are Bulgarian rose, dark plum, and something I can't pronounce. Base notes are patchouli, vanilla flower, and sakura blossom. And isn't that a really nice looking bottle? Oh my gosh, this looks so luxe for Icon Box. Oh, it smells so fancy. It's like one of those fancy perfumes from the department store. Oh, I can smell that. The dark plum. This is a very complex. Wait, what is that I'm smelling? Is it that osmanthus? That thing I can't pronounce? Oh, this is for special use only kind of perfume. This is definitely... I'm gonna keep it in this box. I'm gonna keep it in this box and only pull it out for special occasions. That's what I'm gonna do. Anyway, yeah, I can definitely smell that plum. Then I like that. I like that smell. I like that. So we got all of those things, all of those nice things in my icon box. I gotta say, I give this one. Well, let's see. How much was that? How much was that perfume? Not that it matters in my rating. I just want to know how much that perfume was. I think that perfume was like close to $100 from what I remember. Yeah, let's see. It is $93. $93. It smells like a $300 perfume. It really does. It smells like a really fancy perfume. Okay, like I said, I think my box came to somewhere between $350 and $400, something like that. It was somewhere around that range. I've had boxes that cost more than $400 before, but that didn't really... I think some of the items get overpriced. Some of the items and like from Ipsy get overpriced, like especially some of the skincare items and stuff. These were all good skincare items. None of them like were overpriced or anything like that. So this was a fair box. This was a nice fair box. So let me know what you think. I would give this box definitely a 4.5 out of 5 because I don't know what I think of these items. I don't know what I think. So I'm gonna give it a preemptive 4.5 out of 5. I don't really need like that cleanser, but it's a really nice cleanser. I don't really need like that moisturizer, but Origins is a really nice brand. I don't really need like this serum, but I mean, I'm gonna use it. There's nothing in here that's not gonna get used. Nothing in here that's not gonna get used. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you think down below. And did you get a Ipsy Icon Box or we Box Twins? Did you get anything in your box that you're real excited about? Did you what did you pick for your choices? What did you pick? And let me know. Just let me know everything. I would love to hear about it. Do you like getting fragrances in your boxes? Do you like getting cleansers? Do you like getting moisturizers? Any of that stuff. Leave it down below. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends. Excuse me, if you think they would enjoy it. And please subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you as part of this community. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Sending you out all the good vibes. And I will talk to you later. Okay, goodbye.